Well, how you guys doing? All right, cheers to you. It's afternoon on this fine Tuesday. We're the first week of March, if I remember right, of 2025, okay? Live good. Boom, we're a couple years old now and a couple years and a couple months, okay? We officially kicked off December 13th of 2022, okay? And since it was December about 3 months ago, we're, a couple years, couple months in. Over those years, I've learned a lot because I'm on my 2-year anniversary as just myself being a member and an affiliate, okay? I've learned a lot. This is my first online, I guess, experience at this level where I'll make a video, send an email, or just go on social media and say, guys, please look into this. See if it's for you. Live good, okay? So the last 2 years, I've learned an insane amount. And I wish, obviously that, back then, I know what I know as I make this video here the first week of March of 2025. If I keep things simple, and if I have you literally copy what I do, that's the best case scenario of success in Live Good. Find people that literally sign up people every day, every week, every month. All right, I'm number 20, I think I'm 29. I'm in the top 30 out of almost 2 million people in this company. Okay, as far as people literally signing up directly underneath me, my personal signups. Okay, I've got 412 right now, and I'm real proud of that because, like I said, I'm new. I can maybe turn on a webcam and talk like this for 5-10 minutes, but I'm like, when I first started, okay, do I need a list? Do I have to have just, pay my dues for 2 to 5 to 10 years, build a list? That way people know, like, and trust me. You hear all the same crap from everybody. Every opportunity, every guru, every leader, they'll have the same advice, and it's kind of pep talk stuff. Hang in there, learn along the way, fail forward. Don't be shy. If you don't like your voice, if you don't like your face, I don't know, you don't like your hair, wear a hat. If you look tired all the time, wear glasses. If you don't like your face, ladies, grow a beard like I do. Maybe you don't like your skin. There's bearded ladies in the circus, isn't there? But nonetheless, what I like about Live Good, number one, it's affordable. Number two, our products are the best. I don't care what anyone says. We have the most expensive ingredients in our products, but we're the cheapest because we're a wholesale company. For $10 a month, guys, guess what? You buy wholesale, just like if Walmart wants to sell our products, which they do. If you go to walmart.com, put in Live Good, just one word, Live Good, you'll see our products, but they're going to be retail, okay? Walmart has to pay $9.95 a month to sell their products retail because they obviously want to buy wholesale. They have to make money. Their overhead is, there's not a calculator around that can calculate what the overhead of Walmart, every store, how many is there? 50 billion of them. Okay. Wouldn't it be nice to know that if you just have like a little man cave set up, this is just an extra room, put some Hot Wheels up, maybe some Barbies and Kiss things, put a little mini fridge in and get a little light to light up your face, maybe a webcam, maybe just use cell phone, whatever, keep it easy. You don't have to go crazy and make little videos just inviting people to click a link and watch a video. That's what I do. Okay. The reason I'm making this video right now is to show you how I've signed up 412 people over the last year or two. And it's all based upon keeping it just real simple, kind of fun. Okay, you don't have to go into drama and go into a whole bunch of negative things, not unless you want to. If you want to story tell, and maybe it's kind of like therapy. Sometimes when you talk out loud and talk about your highs and lows in life, it's kind of therapeutic. People will get to know you, and that's okay. Or if you just want to have kind of a sense of humor, keep things short and just invite people to click something to watch something. That's my trick. Okay, there's a video that you're going to get when you sign up as an affiliate. It's only $40. One time, that's it. We commission the membership side. You don't have to buy anything to make a commission with us. I mean it. That's why I joined. If I had to buy like $200 to $500 of products each month and I can't even sell them online, just so I can get a bonus of $200 to $500, I break even. So all of a sudden, this whole room is just nothing but shampoo, conditioner, and a bunch of supplements that are so high cost, no one's going to buy them. And it's embarrassing and insulting to try to sell most MLM type products. I won't do it. It's not me. But with Live Good, I got the hat. I've got shirts they make. I will compare Live Good products. You can see on the little mini fridge right there, those white containers. I'll put our products against any other product. I know that they're the best, they're the most organic, they're the most expensive ingredients. But we're 30 to 70% less because we're wholesale based. $10 a month, you're wholesale. $40 one-time fee, you're an affiliate. All you got to do is just be a member each month. Do that $40 one-time thing, and you can earn money like I do. Why not just make an extra $100 a month so you can spend $100 on our products? That's what I thought I was going to do. And then I become a maniac, started doing videos like this a lot. I'm really good at emailing, pretty good at social posting, and keeping things simple. I got a couple business cards. I bought a box. They're about $18 plus $5 shipping. So for about $23, I went ahead and just bought these business cards at Vistaprint, rounded the corners. I made the font super easy. Less is more on a business card. I just want people to go to joincory.com and click the link. See that card there right on the bottom? joincory.com. I bought that domain for like $11, GoDaddy, and it forwards to the Live Good capture page. That's where you can watch the video produced by Live Good. You don't have to do video like I'm doing now. All right, but you can see I've signed up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've had 5 people sign up over the last week. Today is March. What is today? The 4th. God, time's hauling ass. We're already in the 3rd month of 2025. But guys, if you can just get a handful of people to come aboard and check out your opportunity, and if they want to say yes, great. If not, they go on their way. That's why I'm a big fan of just inviting people to watch the Live Good video on their cell phone behind their steering wheel. Maybe you're laying in bed. That's what I do. I'm always laying in bed looking at this stupid thing. I'm always like, I can't sleep at night. I don't know why. Oh yeah, this is in my face half the night. Do you ever go to the bathroom, sit down and go, oh, I gotta text while I'm doing my 2. All right. If I'm standing up doing my number 1, I can't. Although I can try, kind of like aim and gotta, do my social media while I do my tinkle. But anyway, these are addicting. They're fun. You can do posts. You can do videos this way, do little TikToks. They have to be that way, don't they? TikTok. Hey, guys, what's up? This is Cory. Check out this opportunity. Let me know what you think. Goodbye. Your videos can be 10 seconds. Make them fun. Make them real. If you're new, tell people. If you think you look tired, tell people. If you hate your hair, you hate your body, you hate your voice, tell people. They'll go, me too. That's why I don't want to do video. And guess what? You don't have to. There's so many Live Good videos that you can use. They're neutral, meaning they're not targeted towards joining someone else. Okay? These videos what you're watching right now, obviously they're hopefully encouraging you to join me. But there are plenty of just Live Good produced videos that are neutral. They talk about the products, the opportunity, the company, everything. They do everything for you. I recommend just doing what I do. joincory.com. It's going to go to a capture page. It's the exact page you're going to get. All right? Have people watch that video. And then from there, if they want to join Live Good or just get more information, they just put their name and email address in. If they want to stop the emails every day, they just opt out. If you don't want to join and you don't want to hear about Live Good ever again, great, delete all this stuff. Or if you just want to buy the products now and then, just buy like Walmart.com or Amazon.com. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate to buy our products. All right, they're obviously retail like I guess Walmart is probably the best. You go to all these other, Walgreens and, what is there? Target still hanging in there and the Piggly Wiggly and there's gas stations and boy, there's just about every store out there. But I think you're going to do what I did. You're going to like the Live Good products, but you're going to see that if you become a member for $10 a month, you're probably going to save 30, 40, 50 to $100. It's nice getting wholesale, especially when you get addicted to the products and they're good, guys. Okay. They're always on my fridge. I dig them. They're pretty good. They're yummy and they make me feel good. So of course I'm going to buy them with or without me being an affiliate. I didn't even know this was an affiliate company when I first started. The first month or two, I was just buying the products. I wish I would have joined when they kicked off December 13th. I mean, who knows? But anyway, I joined a handful of months after Live Good kicked off, and I've had a lot of fun learning just to be myself, talk to my webcam, help people if I can. You can go to my, Facebook. It's my own personal page. I don't do anything fancy. You can just look up my name, Cory Draper. You can't miss me. I post like 20 times a day. I'm like a teen kid, teen girl. I love to post fun things, crazy things, pictures, maybe stuff I've purchased, and then kind of squeeze in Live Good things now and then. Okay, but I don't recommend just talking about Live Good all day. It gets boring. Let them go to the website. Let you Go to the website, check out the opportunity, the pricing, shipping, handling. Live Good has their own customer support. Let them support you, the customer. Support@livegood.com. If you have any questions, write them right now. You don't have to be a part of their experience. Okay? But if you go to the livegood.com, just go through the FAQ section, look at the pay plan link, look at the products, obviously. And then if you want to join, you have to join through an affiliate. And that's where I come in. That's where I always, at the end of my video, say, guys, I hope that you like me or feel like you know me through video. But no doubt I've signed up 412 people. I'm super proud of that number, and I hope to hit 500 by summer. And it's all the same formula. I want you to copy exactly what I do. If you join me, I'm going to send you an email of exactly what I do. Okay? I want you to get business cards, just hand them out, just in case someone brings Live Good up in a personal one-on-one, sesh. If you're at a party or someone sees you on the street, just give them the card and then have it forwarded like by GoDaddy. I bought joincory.com. I think GoDaddy's the best because there's live 24-hour customer support. Okay, I just tell them to go ahead and just forward to the Live Good capture page, which you'll see when you click joincory.com. Watch that video. People, they're either gone, see you goodbye, they want to be a member, they want to be an affiliate, or they just come back. I've had people 3 or 4 months join me. All right, later, after they look at the video, watch that video, they'll just bookmark it maybe, and then 3 or 4 months will go by, and they always let me know. They're like, hey, I don't know if you remember me. 3 or 4 months ago, I watched that video. But anyway, I'm excited. I think I got the time. I definitely got the money. It's cheap. It's $10 a month. Live Good's very affordable. Buy the products if you'd like, guys. But no doubt about it, I'll show you what I do just to sign up. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I got 5 people that have signed up over the last week or so. And I want you to just make this as fun as possible. I'll help you however I can. I usually just do it through video. If someone has a question, I make a video. Then I can upload it so everybody can kind of, learn from it, hopefully. That's my goal. Keep my fingers crossed. I want to try to teach you and help you guys. Because if you can help duplicate, if I can help you, obviously duplicate my success, you want to do the same for your downline or people that sign up with you. And then you want to help them, and so on and so on and so on. That's the beautiful thing about, I like to call it not MLM, I like to call it multi-level pay. Because you don't have to buy any products to get commissions. We're not an MLM like that. Please don't confuse us with Herbalife or New Skin. It could be, Amway, Tupperware, Home Interior, Mary Kay. There's so many companies out there, guys, that make you buy overpriced products in order to earn commissions, and then you can't publicly sell them. I got to be honest. Here it is, 2025. Amway was invented 100 years ago. I think 1931, something like that. You can look it up. 100 years of people buying products so expensive you're embarrassed. And it churns billions a year. So if you can do that type of business, boy, Live Good's a no-brainer. $10 a month, we're wholesale. I mean, we have 3 months to get your money back. I mean, seriously? It's true. All right? Even buy a hat. You can wear one of these little blue shirts with your Cobra Kai. All right? I'm a big fan of Karate Kid and the Cobra Kai. I love that series on Netflix. So I'm wearing my Cobra Kai shirt and my blue hat from Live Good that even matches the darn thing, okay? All right, guys. Looks like I'm about 13, 14 minutes in. Please keep things simple. Please realize that when you join Live Good, you've got your own Live Good website, your capture page. All you need to do is just figure out how you want to invite people to that link. joincory.com. That's what I suggest you do. Okay? And you figure it out. You can join someone else. But if you join me, I'm going to tell you exactly how I'm rocking. And here it is, March of 2025. And I've signed up 5 people just in the last week. All right? I ain't going anywhere, folks, except up. All right? And I want you to do the same. Okay, guys, that's enough chit-chat. 14 minutes in. Peace and love. If you need something, you can email me anytime. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Find me on Facebook. Just inbox me. Okay? And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I usually do 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5 or more videos regarding the almighty Live Good. Okay? All right, guys, that's, in a nutshell, how I've signed up 412 people over the last year or two. Okay? All right, keep it simple, guys. Okay, take care. Talk to you later, okay?